How to remove any text on CapCut PC. Hello everyone and welcome to the channel once again. Today I'll be showing you some simple steps via which you can remove the text on CapCut PC. So without any further ado, let's get started. Press the import option to import your video onto the CapCut editing page. Then after it's loaded, you can drag it onto the bottom here. And now, the first step in editing a text from your video is cutting the video itself. You can drag this vertical line with the pointer at the upper end, and then you can split the video at any time you want, preferably at the time where the text usually appears. You can split right when the text on the video appears and then right click on your mouse, then press the delete option. Solution number 2 is adding a new text onto the already pre-existing text. Just go to the text option, just simply select the text and write whatever you want in order to cover the original text. You can also increase the thickness and the scale of it in order to fit the actual censorship. Also, something else that you can do is go to the stickers option and then select any sticker that you want to put over the text. It can also be a blur sticker, which is also available if you just go to the search prompt. You can also go to the effects option and then select effects that you can use in order to blur the text. And there you go. Those are all the ways that you can remove a text on CapCut on your PC. If you'd like to see more content like this, please consider subscribing to the channel.